Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're making a show-stopping dish perfect for Christmas Eve or any special occasion. Roast capon with chestnuts and citrus. This dish is juicy, flavorful, and filled with festive ingredients that will impress your family and friends. Let's get started! First, we'll start by preparing our ingredients. For this recipe, we need a 3 to 4 kilograms capon, 200 g of cooked chestnuts, 2 oranges, 1 lemon, 4 cloves of garlic, fresh thyme and rosemary, and an onion. For the stuffing, we'll need white bread, chicken broth, a shallot, an egg, and some hazelnuts, which are optional. Make sure everything is fresh and ready to go. Now let's prepare the stuffing. To make the stuffing, sauté the finely chopped shallot in a bit of butter until it's translucent. While that's cooking, soak the white bread in chicken broth. Once the shallot is done, mix the soaked bread, sautéed shallot, egg, and hazelnuts in a bowl. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Now let's prepare the capon. Start by seasoning the inside with salt and pepper, then fill it with the stuffing. Use toothpicks to close the opening and tie the legs to keep the shape. Rub the outside with butter and season generously with salt, pepper, thyme, and rosemary. Now, it's time to add the citrus. Place orange and lemon wedges and garlic cloves inside the cavity, and sprinkle the zest of the orange and lemon over the top for extra flavor. Place the capon in a roasting pan, adding the halved onion to the pan and drizzling everything with a bit of olive oil. Roast at 180 degrees Celsius, 350 degrees Fahrenheit, for about 2 to 2.5 hours, basting every 30 minutes to keep the skin golden and moist. Make sure the internal temperature reaches 75 degrees Celsius, 165 degrees Fahrenheit. If the skin starts to overbrown, cover it with aluminum foil. During the last 30 minutes of roasting, add the chestnuts to the pan to warm them up and let them brown slightly. This will add a beautiful nutty flavor to the dish. Once the capon is cooked, remove it from the oven and let it rest for 15 to 20 minutes before carving. This allows the juices to redistribute and keeps the meat tender and juicy. Serve your roast capon with roasted potatoes, seasonal vegetables, or a celery root puree for the perfect holiday meal. And there you have it, a beautiful roast capon with chestnuts and citrus that's perfect for your holiday feast. If you enjoyed this recipe, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more delicious ideas. And don't forget to comment below. What's your favorite Christmas Eve dish? I'd love to hear from you. Happy holidays and happy cooking!